Another quick video, the comm system, doing a bit of work to it over the winter. The sheep have managed to start eating the cables. I'll show you that. Well, that's the original telephone cable that used to go up the pole, and that's how the original communication systems worked. That's the cable there, the thick cable going down. That goes underground then, leads to the post. The way I have it now at the moment is I have this black cable running along the fence, and then it terminates here on the compound fencing. And I don't know if you can see, hold on, I'll put the phone right down to it. You can hopefully see there where the sheep have been eating it. So we're getting a bit of short circuiting there. So the way I have it then is it terminates there, and then there's another cable runs along the fence compound into that shed, and that's what gets me the comms. So there's another big break over beside the shed where the sheep have eaten it too, so all of this has to get replaced today. So if I'll start doing a bit of work here, and then I'll come back and explain the rest. Right, well, the new cable's run. I've run along the fence again down into the compound. There's the end of the telephone cable, and there's the existing. So I have to snip all this off and then run a new coax all around the fence. So I'll get this terminated first, and then I'll run new coax. So, back in a minute. Moment of truth. I've done all the rewiring. I've checked continuity along all these cables. I have connected the modem in downstairs. I've got the generator running, so we're running off generator power at the moment. As you can see, I ran a spur off the original cabling. That's the original cable coming in from above ground. It goes along, it goes down into the KS200. But I have it running here into a little spur so I can plug, and then I can run everything from below ground. So I know everything's working above ground because I was getting power. So I brought everything down here just to test. Modem is powered. Right, and we're getting power, and you can probably see that the red light in the tag talk. So any other time I would have this modem or this router connected, and then it would go up to the surface onto a 3G antenna, and that would come down below ground, and that would connect to this, and that would get me Wi-Fi down here, and it would get me a VoIP connection on this. So that's working, and there's a very, very quick look at the post. This is what restored ROC post looks like. That's just a very, very quick look, and when we come back in the next video, I'm going to do a proper tour. So very, very quick video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.